Hello and welcome to the October 2024 DSCR loan update. I'm Daniel Sperling Horowitz with OfferMarket. The DSCR loan interest rate index is at 7.11%. This is what we call the market rate, and the OfferMarket rate is currently 6.81%. Interest rates spiked plus 0.18% on Friday, October 4th on a much stronger than expected jobs report and opened today up another 0.05%. Friday's jobs report, Israel's escalating multi-front war in the Middle East, a devastating hurricane season, and now ended dock workers' strike has renewed concerns that inflation may not be fully under control. Case in point is crude oil prices, which have risen over 10% to start the month. The market is trying to figure out the Fed's pace of rate cuts, and these recent market developments have credit investors resetting expectations to a less aggressive course of easing. As you may know from previous episodes, DSCR loan interest rates are calculated by adding the 5-year U.S. Treasury, which is the risk-free rate, and a credit spread, which is a risk premium that is based on your specific scenario. The 5-year U.S. Treasury is currently 3.87% and has risen nearly 0.5% since the Fed announced their 0.5% rate cut on September 18th. Credit spreads for DSCR loans for 1 to 4 unit residential properties remain remarkably competitive. It's important to keep in mind that while credit spread is determined by a host of deal-specific factors, including LTV, credit score, DSCR, property type, and property location, it is also determined by institutional investor demand and DSCR lender competitiveness. The most competitive institutional investors in the market buy DSCR loans originated on our platform, and our technology-enabled processing efficiency allows us to pass those savings directly to you. Let's take a closer look at a few of the underlying drivers for your credit spread. Credit spreads are highly sensitive to credit score. If you want the most competitive DSCR loan interest rate, you will need a credit score of 720 or higher. Your interest rate isn't the only thing affected by your credit score. For a cash-out refi, you'll want your credit score to be 700 or higher in order to qualify for max loan-to-value, which is 75%. For purchase transactions, a credit score of 700 or higher will qualify you for max LTV, which is 80%. Now, we have an important update to DSCR loan guidelines concerning subsidized tenant leases. This includes Section 8 housing assistant payments, otherwise known as HAP, and similar programs. The most competitive institutional investors that buy DSCR loans originated by OfferMarket have imposed LTV reductions and credit spread premiums where these types of leases are present. You should expect a minus 5% reduction in max LTV, which is 70% for cash-out refi and 75% for purchase and rate and term refi. And at this LTV, you should expect as much as a 0.5% higher interest rate. To be clear, this is not an OfferMarket specific guideline update, and we believe this update is counterproductive in addressing our nation's need for affordable housing. We're pushing for DSCR loan guidelines and pricing that incentivizes and does not deter Section 8 inventory. I want to take a moment to thank you for watching this video. We have more content coming soon to help you on your real estate investing journey. This includes a comprehensive overview of our no and low seasoning DSCR loan guidelines. So take a moment to like this video, subscribe to OfferMarket, and post your thoughts and questions so we can continue the conversation. Thanks so much and have a great day.